Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Peter. I'm a retired maritime trainer and assessor. These days I'm the captain of a rescue vessel and I conduct private tutoring sessions, and as an invigilator with the Office of Maritime Communications, I conduct marine radio licence exams. Today's video is just a short one, a kind of tips and tricks if you like. When you're navigating your vessel, there are many times when you want to know how many degrees an object, a lighthouse for example, or another vessel is off your bow. Well, here's how you can do that, just by using your hands or fingers.
Your hands are an excellent indicator. One finger held at arm's length is close to 2 degrees. 2 fingers, closed, 4 degrees. Your closed fist is around 12 degrees, and with the thumb extended horizontally, it's about 15 degrees. Thumbs touching, fists clench, and you're looking at 30 degrees. It's just a rough guide, but it works. Try it. 3 fingers. No, not of Scotch. You remember when we talked about using fingers or fists to find a rough angle between objects? Using 3 fingers held horizontally at arm's length covers an angle of around 6 degrees. And, if you remember your geometry, any object that results in a horizontal angle of 6 degrees is 10 times as far distant as it is in height.
So thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video.